Guys, we are going to today to a car repair center of Kazi. Here is Alex and Cecily is wearing his shoes, and hopefully we will also car wash this car. We have Pravin Soti with us here, and we just met yesterday. He has a really nice MI tab here in Kazi with his S22 Ultra and his nice picture. So Pravin, how do you feel the Dallas, Texas to be?
It's too crowded and
It's crowded. Kazi, where are we going today?
Huh?
Where are we going, Kazi?
Huh?
Kazi, where are we going today?
I'm saying Caliber.
Caliber? Is it a car repair center?
Yes.
Okay. What is wrong with your car today?
Some service engine soon.
Service check light is on. Okay, let's see. And it's not so cold, but it's really cloudy outside. It's Dallas and it's not so cold in the winters. But the storm was on its way a couple of weeks ago, but it didn't do any much harm than just making some signboards down off the road. That's it. Let's see how Caliber looks like. We've reached the Caliber car repair center.
This was
Express Leave Center. And this is the
Caliber.
Caliber. We're gonna park. Caliber Auto Center, Auto Care Center. He's going to book an appointment. He booked an appointment, like I guess we can repair it. Pradeep, go and sit somewhere. Pradeep, are you hungry?
No.
A little bit of Christmas and New Year's vibe is going on.
Oh, you ready for the blow?
Yeah, thanks. Hey. Kazi, it's his turn.
When did it shoot in the hot? Were you driving when it did that? Today, make an appointment. You only do morning dive.
So basically Kazi had to leave his car here, but we are here with him, 5 of the friends, and we decided that we're gonna take the car and decide to service it tomorrow. So Sid is making some coffee.
Which one is it?
It's hot milk chocolate.
Hot milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Sounds tasty. I guess I'll also have that. Some coffee beans. So I will basically eat hot milk chocolate.
Let's choose this one.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, 7.5 Oz is good.
It's okay?
Yeah. That's good. Which one do you want, brother? Wow.
Mint was it?
So my coffee is done, I guess. Thank you, Pradeep. So I'm gonna sit somewhere. There's Santa. So there seems to be a play thing for kids, sliding thing. He's outside. So they have the lead. Thank you. You sort of mirror serious. Mine also went inside the straw. Might be. So not good for today. Yeah, Praveen, Soti, we are at a nearby Walmart which is very small, compact.
मलाई त यो जहाँ यो थाहा पाउनु मन छ कि होइन एउटा म्यापमा कि म यो कुनामा छु भन्ने हुन्छ नि हो त्यस्तो थाहा पाउनु मन छ क्या
Praveen, what you gonna buy today? You gonna see some things?
लेट्स सी व्हाट वी गॉट
This is a small Walmart.
It's like IV of Fairfield.
It is like IV of Fairfield. Very small,
It's like IV of Fairfield.
but a little bit bigger. Namaste. Sushil, somebody namaste to you.
He recognized me like
Indian, huh? Indian or Nepalese? South Asian.
South Asian.
One foreigner.
Our vlog, we are Nepalese.
Yeah. So you can see Cheetos for about $5. This size, Sprite. Yeah. Koi khale raako?
यो 10 मिनट
I have, yeah.
No problem, you can take.
So popcorns? Oh, these are popcorns. I thought they're Cheetos. Cheetos popcorn. Ah. So you can see some beers. 24 bottles for about $21, and Bud Light beer, which is of about $18, 19. And you can see this is liquors section. So you can see some wines, some breads, cakes. Praveen is searching for a toothpaste. Those guys are Nepalese.
Yeah. नेपाली
This is coconut oil. For this, how much is this? 14 oils, 87 ml. You get it for $13. Organic coconut oil. And you can see some spices.
This looks like Asian
market.
spices.
Asian spices. There are some discounted on sale items for 97 cents. You can see some spatulas. Microwave ovens. What are these? Nuggets of love. Cooked breaded sep chicken patties for $6.98. Oh, ice creams.
Yeah.
You wanna have some?
We don't like. So.
I like it.
Oh, you like it?
I like it. If we wanna have,
It's crazy about ice cream.
yeah.
Then.
Which flavor is good?
Oreo is good.
No. After meal you eat it like a dish.
Some teddy
Do you
bears.
like dumplings?
Dumplings, yeah. But these are, I guess, porks. These are all porks.
Oh, chicken and vegetable dumplings.
Ah, hello, Praveen. Pradeep.
Vegetables.
Dumplings. Blue mint. These are for mouth freshness. Toothbrush. These are full. $5, $7, $8. Oh, this one is good. We all just bought it. This is hot electric toothbrush. This is good.
Better than this one, sir.
Cheap and good. These have Pradeep has bought me a gift. Pradeep, thank you so much. I love this.
Let's take it.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
Cheaper.
Thank you. You just bought this from here. And you can get these teddy bears for about $45.
You can name it also.
19.
5.
3D white. I don't know what these are. Oh, toothpastes. Where are we going?
We are heading to check out.
Check out. These are some gifts for New Year and Christmas. Kaji wants these cookies. What are these?
These are peanut butter
cups.
Instead of
$4.
ice cream.
Oh, it's 120 calories.
This is not good for him. While he's having some running legs.
What next nose?
Running nose.
With cat and dogs.
It's raining out cat and dogs. Very big.
Oh, this is on clearance sale, right?
The most handsome guy, Pradeep. What's up, Pradeep?
Good.
Oh, clearance. Sir, these are on clearance. If you need these kind of things,
Rajib,
yeah.
do you need this as a New Year gift?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay.
Would you buy me?
Yeah, I will buy for you.
Okay, sure, thank you.
अब उताबाट राखिदियो
He is placing again inside.
I will buy for you, man.
Keto diet.
In some other New Year. I will buy you for in Nepalese New Year.
Yeah, thank you.
In
I want
other
that.
New Years.
I want that. So Kazi is looking for keto diets. Even though he's slim, he is looking at keto diets. I don't know why. Pradeep is looking at some roses. What are these? Roses. Ah. For his wife. Oh, these are beans. Bodies.
These are beans.
What beans?
Black
Beans,
eye.
beans.
Black eyed beans.
Black eyed beans.
Black eye beans.
Ah, black eyed peas.
यहाँ हाम्रोमा छैन beans. सिरियलमा जान्छ के
What is the cereal section?
सिरियल सेक्सन
This hot cereal.
Cereal sir.
No, no, this is cereal section.
Kazi is looking for some beans. Almost $1.5.
Oh, this good? The large packages.
This is cheapest one. Red kidney.
Praveen is still looking at his coconut oil and toothpaste.
Mahatma. What's this?
This coconut?
These are cranberry beans.
Raju?
Beans. Sorry?
This coconut?
His coconut.
Looking at his coconut.
You got two
You
coconut.
have this one?
Oh, these are what do you call it?
Red 19.
Red. Ah, lentils. Yeah.
छैन
Rorko dal.
मुसुरोको दाललाई
Mosuruko dal. This is mosuruko dal.
के अमेरिका आयो भने त्यो पनि भन्दिनु तिमी मेरो के छ हामी सानसानो प्याकेट लगाउँछ
The rotis. Oh, these are burritos.
काजी we have to bring like a sack of
He's going to check out himself. You don't want to show the card?
Are you recording him?
Yeah, vlog. Small vlog. He's my friend.
Are you making a movie?
Let's see. He's the star of the movie. So successfully checked out. $18.32. Receipt. Thank you for stopping. Rolling here.
Done?
Done. Really good weather. We can walk here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Kazi, what we can do is so getting inside this car, Kazi's car. Which car is this? Oh, beautiful girls outside.
घुम्न होइन काममा यता वालमार्टतिर
American girls.
सपिङ काम चाहिँ बिदै छ बिदा लिनै पर्ने भयो कि त्यही भएर लिएको उता क्यारी ओभर 40 आवर्स मात्र रहेछ त्यो त्यो त विदेश